Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a basic graphic organizer using MindMeister. It's a great tool for organizing your thoughts, ideas in a visual way.
First, open Chrome or Google and type mindmister.com. When you open it, you can see your account. Below it, it is homepage, team maps, my maps, and trash. You will see on the homepage what you can use to make a graphic organizer. And if you want to make your own graphic organizer, you can click a blank map. You will see the main topic here, and here you can add a column for a new topic. This is a layout based what you want to design. Below it is the themes. Here you can change color of your graph. You can also delete it or restore it using these two buttons. For example, I will make an ORG chart. Change the main topic based on what your topic. Press this plus sign, and here you can put a subtopic or supporting idea in your main topic. Just repeat this based on what you want to design or your graphic organizer. When you are done, you can enlarge it or reduce it what you want. And also you can move it whatever you want. Here I will choose the themes to make our work more presentable. When you are done, just click this button and click export. Here we will see the PDF or image, Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. When you have made a selection, you can click this export button.
And that's it. That's how you can create a simple graphic organizer using MindMeister. It's quick and easy to visualize your idea. And thank you for watching.